This video is for someone who is looking for a job. Most of the people, when they are looking for a job, they think that somebody can help them get a job. It's totally not true. In some occasions, somebody can help you get a job, but getting a job is based upon your own skills and your own effort. Nobody is going to think about you more than yourself. So if you are relying on your father or brother or a friend or a friend's friend or uncle to get you a job, and that's not going to happen. Sometimes they may get you a job, but the job may not be what you like. So first thing you need to do is to make sure you understand that getting a job basically depends on your own effort. So let's say, who is the best person who can help you get you a job, right? So it's going to be you. There was a guy who was going to a guru and then asking him, who can best help me advance my career or get me a job? So the guru told, go to your house, turn off all your lights, turn off all your windows, and then go before a mirror, stand before a mirror. Close your eyes for a minute, then turn on the lights. So you will see a picture on the mirror. That is the best person who can help you. The picture is himself. So first thing you need to understand is nobody else can help you but yourself. You are the one who can help you and who can guide yourself to whatever future you want. So what is needed for getting a job? What is needed for getting a job? Right? You need to have can-do attitude. Success is 80% attitude and 20% skills. Most of the people, when they think, let's say for example, they are in a engineering college which is a rural area, or a very college in a government college or something like that. So they assume that since they are in that kind of college and they are studying that kind of degree, let's say he is studying physics or chemistry or mathematics or economics, he thinks that he cannot get any job, right? He is assuming that since he is coming from a college, government college or a college which is not very popular, he will not get a job. So that mindset itself is basically contributing for him not to get a job, right? So first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you have an attitude saying that I am studying a degree and I can get a job, right? This is the first thing you need to make sure you have. That is, success is 80% attitude and 20% skills, right? So what the attitude is, I can do it and I can also get a job. This kind of attitude is very, very critical for you to get a job. What should I do for a better attitude? Okay, what are things I can do for getting me a better attitude, right? So for getting a better attitude, right, you need to have better associations, and you need to also make sure what you are watching and what you are experiencing in your life is always good, right? So you need to get a better association, and main thing is you need to get rid of watching TV or games or movies. I think try to do that. You will have plenty of time in your hand, and also make sure you only associate with friends and family members who are contributing to your betterment. What do I mean by that? You have always friends who wants to take you to this party, that party, or this place, or go to a movie. So attach with friends who wants to go to a library and study books for your advancement. Let's say for example you are an economics student and your college is not teaching properly, right? You can go to a library where there are foreign books or some good books where you can look for the same topic and see whether you can read and understand, right? You cannot expect everything to be given from your college, right? You also need to put your effort to make sure you understand the topic better. So once you do that, one of the things you need to do when you read a book, you also need to take some notes, right? So when you write, the information goes to your brain much quicker than when you read. So with this in mind, Hope you understand that everything depends on you, and make sure you put your full effort. Thanks for watching this video.